Hi, I'm Jeremiah Perry, and this is my Unit 3 paintings presentation. I will share with you 3 of my favorite paintings and a few reasons why. The first is the 3rd of May by Francisco Goya. It was completed in 1814. I enjoy this painting because it depicts the faces of the victims, but not the killers. And although this painting was done over 200 years ago, it still relates to life as we know it today. In some cases, helpless people are still being killed, but not just with guns, through government, terrorism, as well as social warfare. The second is the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. It is said to have been completed somewhere between 1503 and 1506. And it is one of the most popular and recognized paintings in the world. Leonardo used a groundbreaking technique in this painting, and it was done by using light and dark colors to add contrast to the painting. It draws out certain elements in a painting, yet adds subtle realism. He was the absolute first person to use this technique because he created it. Another point is the intrigue of the smile and gaze that draws a viewer, as well as the mysterious background that can't possibly be real, because one background on one side is completely different from the other background on the other side. Another thing that intrigued me and which I enjoyed about this photo is the backstory of Leonardo carrying this photo everywhere he went to show off his skill. And that was something that he most certainly took pride in, and fairly so, because this is now one of the most well-recognized photos in the world. The third one would be the two Fridas. Now this one I enjoyed because it was a self-portrait of her life after a traumatic divorce. Um, the drawing of her in the white dress, it portrays the traditional woman whose heart is broken. It's completely missing from her chest. And the other depicts the strong, independent woman who she had to become after the divorce. And although this is one of her most recognized paintings from her and in the world, it was oddly just sold for a little over $1,000, and that was including the frame. Experiencing the Mona Lisa. This was one of the questions from my chapter work, and my answer is I don't think it's necessary to know who the sitter in the painting is. Although it is thought to be Lisa, we'll likely never know for sure. However, we do know that Leonardo kept this painting with him and showed it off wherever he went, and that the deeper meaning in this painting is the manner in which he portrayed the sitter and the techniques that he used. Thank you.